I'm Pooja from Jewels City. Hope you all are safe during this pandemic. Today I'm going to show you how to use this amazing jewelry cleaner, Lavish. Every jewelry has a sentiment or memories attached to it, whether it's an engagement ring, an anniversary, or a birthday present. Keep those memories shining and sparkling with this amazing Lavish.
First step is to disperse small amount of the lavish foam onto your piece of jewelry. Use the brush, the soft brush, to clean the inside of the edges you can't reach. Just give a soft brush to that. Wash it. Normal running tap water.